Hey, I'm Jim Weber in the Fox 13 Weather Center. Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. So we've been watching this one area down across the Caribbean. It's just this big blob of convection. And it's starting to get, I don't want to call it organized, but you are seeing a lot more convection in this system. And we're going to watch this over the next several days. Although, I got to point out, again, none of the major computer models are really doing much with this system. At this point, it just looks like it's going to be a big slug of moisture working its way across the Yucatan and into the western Gulf of Mexico. But at least at this point, Hurricane Center putting about a 20% chance of some possible slow development with this, so it works its way on towards the west. We're going to watch it. Things could possibly change with this, but at this point, it looks like just a bunch of rain heading towards, say, Texas, the western Gulf of Mexico, as we head into the weekend. Of course, we're going to keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.